Okay, let's go. Uh, Welcome everybody, and I'm really happy and excited to be back on this digital stage. And today is gonna be really a great one because we have an amazing guest, an amazing CEO, and I will use this word a lot today. Amazing. So uh, let's begin right on. This webinar is all about the virtual try-on and live customization, and why it is the futuristic next level e-commerce experience. So today we will show you basically the most engaging experience that you will have shopping online and you can offer as a merchant, as a business for your customers. So basically, we will go through a live demo, but we will see why this virtual try-on and live customization have together a huge value for your business in boosting sales, reducing returns, because of course, virtual try-on, and why custom products and customization and configuration in 3D with the virtual try-on is the perfect marriage. But let's start right here. You know me, of course, Leonardo from Zakeke. But the most important thing today is our amazing guest, Manuel Messner from Amazing, is absolutely visionary in augmented and virtual reality. But thank you very much, Manuel. Let's introduce yourself.
Yeah, thanks so much, Leah, for those amazing words here again. Amazing. A pleasure to be here and give you a little bit of value along the way about virtual try-on and augmented reality. As Leah mentioned, this is really my field of expertise. So I love AR, more specifically web AR, and I'm super excited about this partnership here between Mazing and Zakeke because the marriage of product customization and virtual try-on will be really game changing.
Absolutely, absolutely. Your point is absolutely our agenda. So let's go through it. Of course, we will talk and introduce the topic of changing the landscape of e-commerce and what Zakeka can do, what amazing job, what amazing is doing with AR and virtual try-on to elevate the shopping experience. Then, of course, the relationship and the integration, as mentioned by Manuel, and the live demo, and last but not least, your questions and answers. In terms of like introduction, we were kind of exchanging words, and we were like, "What was the last time that you were, of course, in maybe in an eyewear shop?" And how was the relationship between you, the nutrition, and then changing models? And so that feeling is, of course, have been a distinct advantage of the brick and mortar stores over, of course, digital channels. Because years ago you couldn't try glasses on, you couldn't try anything on. You were just seeing an online catalog, mainly photographs. But things have changed because of course, right now, brands and customers, mainly customers, want and desire a realistic experience on digital channels through their mobile phones, through their desktop. And of course, brands need to jump on and need to strive and offer this holistic experiences. And when you think about like shopping online, you think about being in an engaged environment, being with a huge offer, but you need to have, of course, the technology that uh, match this desired customization, the desire of having, again, eyewear on. So this futuristic user experience needs to be on the table and needs to be on the main topic for brands. Of course, Manuel, when you think about being a CEO of this amazing company, and offering this solution to mainly retailers, to brands all over the world. Of course, you think this is the present. This is not just offering a futuristic experience. Brands need to jump on, and there are data. Uh, why do you think that customers want this and this amount of like those percentages? Do you think that brands are actually facing this topic with that approach, that holistic approach? Do you think they are missing something? Because there are data that, of course, you can go through with us today and prove that brands need to jump on this.
Yeah, absolutely. You already mentioned it, right? The future, you know, now we have just flat screens. And in the future, and we need to prepare for this paradigm shift right now because the future will be 3D. I call it the 3D internet. So you're gonna sit on a couch. You maybe don't even have a laptop, a smartphone anymore, but you're gonna have glasses, lenses, whatsoever, and then the whole shopping experience is gonna change. Right now, those brands who are already experimenting with AR, with virtual try-on, they will have a huge advantage later on when this paradigm shift is actually happening. We see it now already a little bit, but we are far away from mass adoption for sure. But I really urge brands to look at it, to at least investigate what are 3D models, what you can do with it, and how virtual try-on actually works. So you mentioned some data going back to the present. There are already a couple of studies out there, for example, from PwC or Shopify, and 38% of brands are already looking into ways to create more interaction with clients. Then, on the other hand, though, many more clients, which are 93%, see an advantage in virtual trial. So, almost all shoppers out there. Then, 70% of customers are more likely to make a purchase with a personalized offer, with Zakeke product customization, and eventually virtual trial. So, this is huge here.
Yeah, absolutely. When you think about 93% is basically, as you said, everyone. But if you think about,
Yeah.
if I think myself as a customer, of course I want to use my mobile phone to try something on and then decide whether I want it or not, and not, of course, move from my place, maybe commute 20 minutes to go to the store, and maybe there is no size at all, there is no color. Uh, they don't have the item that I want anymore. So in terms of actual experience and advantages and value, again, there is no match. There is no match on having a unique, customized item, put it on your face. For example, in the case of eyewear, put it on your body, so uh, and that phase is familiar, but again, tell us more. What you what was in your mind? Because we saw the data, but what was in your mind when you were thinking about? I want to offer again a futuristic, amazing experience. Uh, why was what was the challenge that you were facing that you think about in terms of technology brands? Is that of course the main reason to come up with the creation of the company.
So, getting a few steps back, I was in e-commerce before, so I had my own virtual, not virtual try-on shop, but I had my own e-commerce shop and was selling jewelry for women. And also had many colleagues in e-commerce, and everybody was telling me the same problems. Yeah, conversion rate here, it's too low. Our ads don't give enough revenue. Then we have product returns that's just a pain in the ass, so to say, and it's the truth. So every e-commerce company is struggling with that. So we were thought, okay, how about we create something? How about if you can try products before you buy it, right? It's a no-brainer,
Mhm.
but also, the issue we then found, I wanted to implement the solution from other AR providers back then. Most of them were app based, which didn't make sense for me as a medium sized online shop. Then it was a big struggle to create those augmented reality experiences. So we thought, yeah, there is a big gap in the market, and there is no real marriage yet of product customization and virtual try on or AR. And this is also when we found Zakeke, and okay, that's the thing. That's what everybody's gonna need basically. Because I knew from e-commerce experience, yeah, that's it. And then also back to the process. Here, for example, we really focus on ease of use for
Mhm.
the online shop. So create AR virtual try on from pictures. And then on the other side, for the user perspective, also here the AI pupillary distance tool we have together with Zakeke. Anybody who already tried it, you know, the state of the art technology out there was using a credit card, putting it here, and then measuring the distance, kind of really cumbersome and annoying to do. The
Mhm.
tool we developed here together with Zakeke, on the other hand, doesn't use any credit card. Simply point your face to the camera, and within a few seconds, the measure is there. So I think it's a game changer, no, it's Blair.
Absolutely, absolutely. As we are seeing on this video here on the slide, and I really like the nobody wants uncertainty. Again, you are going shopping and you want to offer as a brand an experience that needs to be unique. And you were talking about the pain points, and you know you want to solve those pain points. You want to offer a unique product. You need to keep up with your business with the advertising, etc., etc. So you need to find a business partner. Technology, of course, that is easy to use, no thousands of external apps, no like you need to use. Again, you were talking about the popular distance, the cumbersome experience to have this credit card here and then the mobile phone on the other hand, and then maybe you trying to get the prescription glasses and they're wrong, so you need to go to the shop, or maybe there is an online shop that is offering this and you cannot go to a store. So you have many problems. But if you can do it with AI, that solves a lot of problems. So that pain becomes opportunity, becomes solution, and becomes an offer for brands that want, again, to offer something unique, offer something new, jump on the trends, and bring the technology in an easy way, integrate it to their e-commerce platforms. That's an important thing because, of course, as Zakeke is integrated with native plugins and API to a lot of e-commerce platforms. So you want easy of use. And of course, we were talking about this, and we will see afterwards. The most important thing is, again, talking about product customization and virtual try-on is merging those technologies, merging those experiences together to bring on, again, unique experiences and an amazing offer because if you can think about uh, talking about eyewear, so you like the brand, you select your model, you change colors, you change the temples, you change the glasses, then you use the AI to calculate your popularity distance tool, all within your product page. So you don't leave. It's just one page on your mobile phone, no credit cards, nothing. So it's absolutely seamless and it's realistic. It's on your face. It's configured in 3D. So you see, you can look around, you see the temples. It's engaging. You can screenshot, you can send a video to your fiance or whatever, friends, and say, how do I look? And not just like again taking photos inside a store. And this again reduce everything that I said, engaging, realistic, reduce manual work. You don't have to do photo shoots, creating samples back and forth with the customers. The customers are responsible for their choices, but you are responsible to giving them the choices with restrictions, of course, based on your processes and fulfillment management, but you are improving the offer. You're giving out again a different type of service in this case, and then comes, of course, the integration, the synergy. Because if you think about not only the offer to brands, but what customers are doing, are demanding, then you need to do something. You need to act. That's why the two of us, the two company merged in this project. And again, no matter the size of the market, you don't need to break the bank. to actually position yourselves as an innovator. And I think that that match is a match made in heaven. Uh, and uh, the thing is, you guys had an amazing product. We are offering an amazing product. Why don't we again offer something really unique and new to customers and brands globally? Again, I personally thank you, but I think that the work that we are doing and the offer that we are giving out to customers all over the world is really, again, I will say this a lot of times, amazing. Again, talking about photorealism, what you can say about photorealism? Do you think that is a huge topic, or maybe, as you were saying, most like felt by customers and not brands? Do you think that it's more important to have revenue streams or competitive advantage? What do you think is the most important uh, like not just pain point, but most important punch that brands need to have on their face in this case to wake up and say, okay, I need this.
Yeah, all three, definitely. And what the effect is and the KPI here, the most important thing is the conversion rate. So by diversifying revenue, heightening photorealism, and the competitive advantage, all of that leads to a much higher conversion rate, and this is the real game change. Photorealism is gonna improve steadily as the hardware improves, as the software improves. So step by step, we're gonna see much more, and also be careful with the Apple Vision Pro next year. So we're gonna see what we can do with that even.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Because if we could say just like kind of an example that I really like to mention, and maybe you agree on this. Uh, Brands need to again wake up before it's too late, like Nokia or other companies that miss out on amazing innovation just because maybe they had already a market and didn't want to disrupt it. And but the thing is, if customers are demanding and you can offer it again without breaking the bank, just integrating on your line shop or with an API, it's again it's a no-brainer. And I really like what you were saying. The three things together, the three advantage together, makes a choice. I think that yeah, the time has come. So sorry about this picture, but I was really excited to try this pair of glasses. And let's dive into the virtual try-on tool inside Zakeke, and let's learn how easy it is, how effortlessly you can visualize your products from your customers on their faces and make confident purchase decision. Yes, just like me, because I bought those glasses. And let's go. Uh, let's go inside Zakeke. Those are beautiful glasses. And this is the actual product configurator of Zakeke. Let's take a step back. The virtual try-on in Zakeke is available for configurable products and for already been made products. So you can actually combine inside Zakeke the configuration. So if you have multiple permutation of products and you want to offer product customization together with the virtual try-on, with Zakeke, you can do it, and it's really easy to do. If not, if you don't offer product customization, you can still offer the virtual try-on using the 3D and the AR viewer together for the virtual try-on. Today, I will show you the configurable products because, again, we have made this amazing glasses for you to see it. Those have, of course, permutation. You can offer it on your store. We said that ZKK is integrated with multiple e-commerce platforms with native plugins, Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, etc., etc. And you can, again, take an API integration if that your platform is not natively integrated with. Zakeke. This is the real environment, the 3D scene editor of the product configurator. So you need to have, of course, a 3D model. Keep in mind that our team can help you with that. So if you need 3D models, shoot out to our 3D team and ask us for support and help. But you need to have the glasses on the 3D scene editor. You can activate the virtual tryout. Let's keep the clicks number. Really, in just a couple of clicks. You have the scene editor and the 3D model already set up. You go inside the settings and you go inside here. You click on virtual try on. You select your prototype because, hello, we just have the hardware right now, but we will have in the coming months different type of products for the virtual try-on. So keep it up for these categories and prototypes. We will see them in the coming months. Again, you activate the virtual try-on, and this is a main topic for you. The pupillary distance tool powered by AI. What does it mean? We were mentioning it before, and think about again, you are with your phone, you want to try on glasses, old style. You take a credit card, you put it on your face, you don't know how to put it on your nose, on your mouth, and then again, you move because you're moving on your couch, etc., etc. Cumbersome, terrible experience. I made it myself. No, I don't want it anymore. The popularity distance tool actually gives you the ability to do it with AI, just looking at the camera. So you activated the popularity distance. You can make it mandatory or just not mandatory for your customers if you don't offer prescription glasses, for example, if you just sell different type of glasses. Then you can actually, and that's a huge thing, personalize and give icons to the action button inside your store, inside your product page, because Zakek is integrated with your product page. You can even decide if you do want the both tool to be on a single button or be activated by separate button. And look around, you can just customize everything. So the look on your product page is customized to whatever your brand is in an easy way. After that, of course, you've been activated all these options. You need to actually fine tune the model on your face. So you go inside the composer and you do the fine tuning of the objects that you do want. Of course, we did it because the most important thing to be photorealistic, having the 3D model is important. Of course, create the objects in the perfect way, the materials, the textures, lights, etc. But the most important thing for glasses is you need to put them on your face in the perfect position in order to be able also to offer the popularity distance tool in the correct way. Again, you wanted to see it, we already did the fine tuning. We can go inside the composer. I can show it to you briefly. Then, of course, you go inside that again, in order to fine tune the models, you select the object, the main object, and then you can uh, open up the virtual try on fine tuning. As you can see, look around. As you can see, the glasses are here, and then you can fine tune the glasses. So you can go inside temple mode, decide if you want the temples visible or hidden. You can decide the affect, natural light, bright, studio color. So you can actually create a really personalized environment and move around. And have it zoom in, zoom out. So again, put it on a perfect way for your customers. And here it is. I just wanted to do this in order to you to understand how perfect this is. I have glasses. I have prescription glasses. They are perfect. Of course, the model is different, but they're just perfectly positioned. Like this is my real face. Sorry about that, but again, they're just juxtaposed perfectly. Again, keep in mind the models are different on my face. So this is the real experience that your customers will have. And you can offer moment of silence because if you haven't already offered this, it's a shame. But of course, you have Zakeke and Amazing together. They can help you with that. And let's go inside the popularity distance. Yeah, if you are not offering this, you're losing a lot of money. Uh, Popularity distance, again, we will measure. We did that, of course. But think about this. No credit cards. That's it. That's it. That's it's done. That's my popular distance. I haven't touched anything. It's seamless. No credit cards. Nothing. I just looked on a screen. That's it. It's done. What do you think? Because I need to change my
I'm actually
lenses.
impressed, Leo, by your own tool.
Yeah, I do. Again, I really like this model because I have a similar one, but I need to change it.
Yeah,
So again, I'm showing this on a desktop because I'm on a desktop. Think about the easiness of doing on a mobile phone, and again, you can actually have a screenshot. You can uh, I don't know, record yourself moving around and send it to your friends, to your mom, whatever. And let's get back here. It's just absolutely great to again offer this type of uh, technology. Uh, I, I I I mean I was not impressed. I was amazed. I was why did then I cannot find a lot of brands offering this, or if I find them, they don't have the AI popularity distance tool. They don't offer it like customized on their
mhm.
web page on their websites. It's again it's pain to purchase, and you have this type of offering. Is I was really shocked about it. I thought it couldn't be possible to offer this, and I'm really amazed to 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 actually show it to you in easy way. We were just clicking on a 3D scene and then have the virtual try-on on my face. Again, everything is available for you inside Zakeke, inside the 3D configurator, inside the 3D viewer. So if you want to offer configuration, if you have permutation of products, if you have this type of offer, you can combine it together thanks to Zakeke Amazing. And if you're not, just take the 3D viewer path and use your 3D models into the virtual try-on without customization. You can do both with thanks to Zakeke offering. And easy way, again, you can integrate because I think that might be a question there. How can I integrate this? There is no external app to integrate. It's everything inside Zakeke. Zakeke is a native plugin on 10 e-commerce or more e-commerce platforms from Shopify to Shopware to Shopwire to Wix to WooCommerce, Salesforce, etc., etc. The list goes on. You can go around on our website and see it. And again, if you don't need the native plugin, you can go the API way and you can integrate everything, customize your products, customize your offering, the action button, you can customize almost everything. It's really important to know this because I think that yeah, there was a question about the integration, and of course there are other questions there that are sorry. Okay, I think that this is on you, Manuel. Uh, does the virtual try-on affect my mobile performances and web performances?
No, not at all, because the virtual try-on will be loaded separately only afterwards your website is loaded, and then a user clicks the button virtual try-on, and then it's loaded separately on a different server. So it doesn't affect it at all. Actually, in the contrary, it's a positive effect on your SEO because people spend more time. on the website.
Absolutely. Okay, thank you. And okay, yeah, the question about the products, we saw just the eyewear, but yeah, we can. The thing is, you can have in the coming months the virtual try-on to in other product categories, as you saw on the list. But today is available on the eyewear industry. Again, prescription glasses, sunglasses, that doesn't matter thanks to the offering of Zakeke. In the coming months, you will have the opportunity to work and offer it for other products like hats, fedoras, and other like shoes and fashion items. So again, uh, be ready because new things are coming to your table thanks to Zakeke. And we talk about the integration. Let's see. Okay, we have now a question that regards, can I use this on multiple stores with multiple products? Yes, absolutely. ZKK offers you the sales channel integration. So basically, you can activate and have different stores, as many of you do already. So if you have a store on Shopify, e-commerce, or whatever, you can bring them together thanks to the sales channel feature inside ZKK, manage multiple catalogs. Even combining customization rules from one catalog to another. Go to our help guides, go to our website, and you can see more details about sales channels. But definitely, you can do that. I have another question to you, Manuel. And what are the next project? Amazing next project for you guys and your company. Talk about briefly to our viewers because I think they're really interested in what you can offer to them.
Right, so we're heavily working on making the process of getting from 2D images to 3D more scalable, and we use AI for that. So we are already at 20-30% at some product categories, which save effort for 3D modelers for model products. So it's gonna get cheaper to get your 3D models to be later used for Takeke or Mazing platform, whatever. And then, of course, the AR technology, web AR is broad. You don't have only virtual try on, you have SLAM for placing furniture on the floor, artworks on the wall, etc. So there is a whole range of different AR technologies we're working on and scaling to be integrated on any web shop.
Wow. Wow. Incredible. Again, we share a lot of views. We share a lot of path. Of course, we offer
Yeah.
most of the things that we offer are in common in the same way you were talking about them. And again, I really thank you personally for this opportunity. I really thank you for the collaboration between the two companies offering again. I repeat it, an amazing tool, features, and this is great for you guys. Again, if you're not using them, go to our website, go to Zakeke, start the 14-day free trial, try it, and you will not be disappointed because this is the project of your life, and this is the technology of your life. Again, thank you very much for being today with us. Uh, be attentive to any news that we can share inside our channels. Go to our LinkedIn page, go to our YouTube page, subscribe them, click on subscribe and be with us on this journey. Go to the manual LinkedIn page, to the amazing LinkedIn and YouTube page to follow them and see what the guys are up to. Thank you very much. Grazie a tutti. Thank you, Manuel. Ciao, ciao.
Thank you. Ciao.